a diva. I'm a diva. I'm a diva.
Good morning. It is early in the morning. It is like 7:30 a.m. y'all. I feel like I have not done a review in a minute. Y'all been enjoying the Victoria's Secret, like, not hauls, but like the nice little walkthrough sneak peeks. I'd rather do that than sit down and hold up each item that I got. That's just me. But today is Pink Friday. We're gonna have Victoria's Secret. Pink Friday is like a national holiday. It's the one day a year, like a pep rally type of thing. So I want to see if this product is hype or not. Has the hype died down some? What it is? This is the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I have 3 different little samples here from Sephora. So let's tap it on, get it on, and let's see, because I need this to hold up all day for you guys. It's like it's a jelly light type of primer, but I'm told it gets tacky. So I'm gonna rub it, especially in my high pore areas. And then I'm gonna tap, 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 pat, pat, pat. Definitely for me, getting in those creases and those crevices of my pores and my smile lines, so your makeup does not set in. Now the makeup application today, y'all, I am just one of these people. I'm to the point now where I have different routines for different things. I have to do my makeup based on how my skin feels that morning when I wake up, and that is just the truth. It feels nice and tacky. It also feels like a primer that would be good if you want to do an all powder routine. Let me let this dry down, and then we'll get my foundation concoction on. The 1.5 ounce of the Milk Hydro Grip can be found at Sephora for $30. Now it did say apply 1 to 2 pumps on the back of your hand and apply on a clean surface, clean face, etc., etc. Derived cannabis, blue algae is in this primer. So I'm excited for all those things as well. Water, glycerin, yeah, but not a whole lot of alcohol, which I'm surprised by. Like, I'm looking at the ingredient list, it's there, but it's not super active, which means it's not at the beginning. The prickly pear and the aloe waters would hydrate and calm the skin, it says, and I feel like it had a cooling effect before I even read that, which could be me. The blue algae is what's going to help with texture, so it says. So what I've been loving lately is my Fenty, like I say, my Pro Matte. But I've been loving rubbing it in with sunscreen. Now, I know we know no SPF can make women of color look ashy, but that Neutrogena one that I've been using for a while as a primer hack. One day I just sat down like, I want to look dewy, I want to look smooth, I still want to be protected, I don't want to be cakey under the eyes. And anytime you apply with your hands, you're actually sharing out a product, but at the same time, your heat from your hand, your body heat from your hand, does the product a lot, y'all. I want to see how the primer holds up, because I'm curious. Like, this thing was hyped up all over, especially around 420. And I'm on primer overload. If I did go to repurchase another primer, I already said it was going to be the Too Faced Hangover RX. But when I walked in there to get it, I was like, let me try this. Now, I'm going for that My Skin But Better, but something I already noticed. See right here? It got a little patchy, but that's my fault. Hands with this primer is not good, because the primer will start to roll up and bead up, and that's what it did. I dusted away the little flakes of what had already started beading around here and went back with a beauty blender. But look, y'all, she empty. Will I be getting the hydrating formula one that's coming out? Absolutely.
I'm a diva. 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 I'm a diva.
Side note. See that sheen? See that dewiness? That's not a highlighter. This LA Colors Mineral Press Powder, y'all, I'm telling y'all, this is Bay. I hit pan on the first one some time ago. This is like my third one. So if you ever in Family Dollar and you pick this $3 powder up, it comes in like 8 shades. You can't go wrong. Back to the regular program. Hey y'all, it's 9:30 a.m. My face is done. Just soft, natural like, but with the Fenty makeup throughout the day, like on my break or something. But let's get to it. I don't want this to be a long review, so I'll see y'all when I get off tonight. So you all, I literally just got home from work at 8:45 p.m. Y'all, let me tell y'all, this Milk makeup Hydra Grip Primer is definitely Diva approved. I can't even front. That thing is tacky, it's dewy. I did not go in with like a pore filling type of primer. It was thin and I was thinking this is not going to do the job, but it actually helped the makeup from settling in my pores and all that. And I'm still luminous. My highlight hasn't moved. It was a busy day. I was moving around a lot and I have nothing bad to say about it. It didn't leave it dry. It didn't leave it stiff. It didn't leave me cakey. You know, except in the beginning when I told you using my fingers, it caused it to bead up, which a brush or a beauty sponge, it'll be fine. My powder buffed it right on out and I'm thoroughly impressed. So with that being said, Pink Friday was a success at my store. The unofficial brand ambassador for my store. Well, I was, but then again I wasn't. But I'm sorry, y'all. I gotta wash my face. And thank you for always rocking with me. Y'all know how I feel about y'all.